Alright, hey guys, so here we have fan number 2 of cast Dayton leading edges. This is one where I had to kind of piece together the, I guess the vent is, you would call it. I don't really know exactly what the heck the point of it is, but it goes between the two housings and it's plastic. So the only other thing I can think of that, it's used for is other than, I guess, decoration, which is kind of pointless on a commercial fan. Is since there's a separation there, I'm guessing it's to let heat out, but I don't think it does all that great of a job. Anyways, let's take a look at this one. So being that this one is kind of pieced together, it's not in the greatest condition. The ring, that is. Canopies are just, I don't know, Dayton had some issue with their paint, so it didn't adhere all that great, so it kind of flakes off in certain areas, like the canopies. But yeah, let's do our 0 to 60. See how that does. Got a little wobble to it, but nothing too terrible. I thought I heard some scraping. It looks like one of the wires is touching the motor. So I might have moved some caps around. I don't really know what ended up with what fan. Spin down. Yeah, there's definitely a wire hanging down. It looks like a neutral. Something I never really noticed was these, the blades actually kind of have an upward pitch. Kind of like a new fan or view fan or golden fan. So when I was putting these back together, something I didn't notice, because I'm so used to most industrials or spinners for that matter, of putting the bearings on the, I guess on the shaft on either side first, and then putting the top and bottom plate on after that. But these actually, the bearing goes on the top housing first, and there's a snap ring that holds it in place. So I had to take all the bearings back out on the top of the shaft and reinstall them on the top plate. Anyways, let's go through caps. I got the cap working again. So yeah. Guess it's probably gonna start on 5. No? I guess 6. Alright. And there goes Daniel. 7. 8. 8 is drawing 0.38. Get up to speed so you can see what it does on 1220. But I guess it's gonna be all the same for all three. I don't know why I'm bothering. 2, 10.46, 11.47, 12.51, 13.54, 14 times 7, 15.61, 16, 64, 17, 6, 7, 18.7, 19.72, and 20.75. Let's go to 25, I guess. It's not really that different. 25, 30, 23, 35, 49, and 40. 1.0. Okay. Starts at 0.42. At about 130. Let's go to 12 o'clock. 0.78. See if it gets any quieter. Sometimes when fans get up to speed, they quiet down. .30, 0.11, 0.03, and high 1.12. Okay, well there is Dayton leading edge casty boy number 2. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.